Our dear and cherished viewers, I welcome you to Techiman TV. This is your favorite darling boy, Asante. So stay tuned, and if this is your first time, please subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and also don't forget to drop your comment.
Mami Musa say, "Nkitangudie be na da Bono for any Asante form."
Asante for the yene be ne bofipa. Fanse nka be bayi be ne yantsana anche be ko anafo ho.
Nana yene Nkoranza for so.
Techiman Nkoranza. Sabre na Nkoranza nyina ye Techiman hena sase. Na bomofo miensa na bete ho. Akokora kisi okoho a babi na otin be fro kisi man. Akokora sese ono so okwa be fro sese man sisi na akokora mpofo ho na ye Nkoranza fi eye Asante fui na ba kwa be fre no adudo nyina na ne nana ne akosan yado amakum hena one no tokwa bi babente tinanka akosan yado ope adudu nyina a che no akuma ne adudu nyina dwane ya no beturu Nkoranza baby de nkokorafo miensan betre ti nkokorafo miensan di nanim de no ko maso te no ko kire ye na kwa chia mew
Abusuafo memo makwaba eba Techiman TV so eye mosomfo agimfinani na yenkomo twetwe no a yene mo ebetwetwe ene no ebepese ye de beko profu kasa mu kakra enam yahwefo ne yatifo obi ase afa na nyina eninti se de ko profu kasa mu a umane hamo. This is your favorite darling boy Ajimfina. I'm here to discuss certain topics of concern to you. If this is the first time that you are watching me, I will entreat you to subscribe to this channel, share our videos, drop your comments, and click on the notification button so that anytime that we post our video, you'll be the first person to watch. Many people over time have tried to share their history, linking it with others. And this is where Ajimfina I'm coming in to respond to certain claims made by Akwamuhine of Techiman traditional area. What do we have to say about those history? The people of Nkoranza, this is the time for us to also stand up and defend our history and defend ourselves. Many claims were made in this interview. Without wasting much time, we'll just go straight to the history of Nkoranza. The first question is, Nkoranza, has it got its own history? That is what we want to discuss. What is the history of the people of Nkoranza? Let's go to a brief history about the people of Nkoranza. Nkoranza is a very wonderful community in the Bono East region. But Nkoranza, or the people of Nkoranza, are not Bono, but they speak Bono. They do everything with the people of Bono, and they live in peace, and they live with the people of Bono in harmony. Nkoranza did not wake up one day to become part of Asante, but the DNA of Nkoranza is Asante. Nana Adudunyina discovered this land and found 3 people on this land and stayed with them amicably and in peace. Based on that, Nana Adudunyina invited his clan men to also dwell on the land of Nkoranza. And throughout their stay on Nkoranza, they collaborated and worked hand in hand peacefully with Nana Kwachiamio of Bono Manso. Nkoranza, we have a story. In our infancy, the old woman told us about the people of Nkoranza. And let's listen to how the old woman put it. The old woman claimed that they had series of attacks, series of wars and threats from the surrounding communities. So actually, Nkoranza needed protection. So Nkoranza had to contact the parents from Amakom and Menshia. So a lot of the family members started migrating from Asante region to the current Bono East region to also stay with Nana Adudonyina to build a better community. But the threat of war did not give these Asante people peace of mind. All the time, there will be attacks, there will be rumors of war, there will be threats from surrounding communities. So Nkoranza was in the dying need for military support from the Asante kingdom. This is where Nana Bafupim and his warriors came to play. The old woman said, when Nana Bafupim was traveling with the entourage or with the family from Amakom to Nkoranza, wherever they reach or they feel thirsty and they want to drink water, Nana Bafupim will use his bodria to hit the ground and there will be a river. They will take some of the water to drink and they will cross the river. And the river will be everlasting. The people of Nkoranza put their challenges before Nana Bafupim. And according to history, Nana Bafupim is believed to be so powerful and supernatural that no single individual can even intimidate him like what Nana Akwamuhene claimed. And even if he was intimidated, maybe he allowed himself to be put to test so that he can confirm the persecutions of the people of Bono Manso against the people of Nkoranza.
Techiman hene ne ba no ye nchira hene the friend brilliant priest edi abufuo ekohia Bafupim kwanso sa dintinima wachere omfa nneema no mama yenya amamre nti brilliant priest ebubo Bafupim aniso obro no prepare.
The people of Nkoranza needed shield, they needed protection. And Nana Bafupim could not stand for them to be more treated, for them to be more handled by the surrounding communities or the surrounding villages. Nana Bafupim was so supernatural that he can turn himself or transform himself into any being. Na ewo se omo bene omo ho. Ewo sunsun ni tumi ni ahodin. Na ewo se omo ji aduro. Ansana omo akoko. So that was where they were initiated and they were fortified before they embarked on this war against Bono Manso. Nkoranza did not fight alone. Nkoranza consulted the father for warriors and they came to support Nkoranza in the fight for their own freedom and protection, for the fight that will instill peace in that area. That is why the Asante came to fight with Nkoranza, not because they wanted to come and loot or they wanted to come and take everything belonging to Techiman, but because Nkoranza is the son of the Asante kingdom. Both parents originate from Asante Kingdom. And even those people they came to meet on the land wanted protection. They wanted shield against the people of Bono Manso. They wanted shield and the savior to protect those people on the land or the indigenous Nkoranza. So the Asante Kingdom only fought alongside Nkoranza, not just for their own selfish gains, as portrayed by Nana Akwamuhene. They fought because Nkoranza is the blood of Asante. And you can't tell me that Otumfuo's son is being persecuted on the land of his own, and Otumfuo will sit without doing anything to protect his own son.
To compensate you, a year no my dear Seminaso, Miana Mayor offer. I do do in a year, Mayor no Bono Masoha. Until Codna Cobwell. Na sisi idea. Memo sika futuro gold dust. Je kompoano okwa to atuduro. Na fa brama yengoro no abofugro. Beka abofugro firing of musketry. Mano sika kokko se onko sesa don to atuduro. Na onfamra na omeye ne ofaneye. Na sabre mu na Techiman sebi na anano kwa champion na oye nhyeso kakra o hye amanfo so tina nipa no bi abo mu trimpa e benya nanka ba tu na de so nti sankrofo be ne bafo pim be kobopo po bone pa so kwa oto atuduro no onto aboba no ba na be ye baba be chine ndomu na bede no ko enti bafo pim ko na ase na mudruma ko ba makom hina mania amakom hina so on so mudruma na ko ho na poku ware the first the tunanim sa asem de ebani o am se Techiman hene ya hunu se o ye hene kase ti se sa ajaye kwa yebenya asade enti se sa ne tia ebeboa ti om di nipa bi ka bafupim be mana tuo be mana boba na okoto atudura be no fa yiye no to emeba nso ka to bedu Nkoranza eduru dide no be kwa yiye be ko nyina na be fire musketry a omututu atu obi anim se ayiye no be ko no mko duru ba fi enom sheda ma atufuo no bi ko bofa Bono Manso ko hese na betina dwama enti be ko hwe andum se be ba announcement se bafo pinu ne dom be ba ti ho na omwa ka kire omo se sese de kon na duruso enti obia enload ni tuo no with bullets enya to drobia enti yawa bebu bi e kan se Bono ai kan bibi te se kon kankan oni bafi kon kankan ne bafi bafi ne be shase be de abuba gutu se be ko attack kwa chamio